Digitalization does not start with software. It starts with an idea of how reality could look in the future. For more than 20 years, I have been working in the field of digitalization, simulation, and virtual systems. And during that time, the technology has evolved dramatically. What once started as simple visualization is now becoming something much bigger, the digital twin. With technologies like NVIDIA Omniverse, it is now possible to build entire digital worlds. Worlds where physically accurate lighting, materials, and movement interact in real time. Because when reality can be created digitally first, ideas can be explored, tested, and optimized long before they exist in the physical world. And this is where the future of the Industrial Metaverse begins. If you're interested in projects like this, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and feel free to leave a like or a comment.